Okay, we're just going to have a look at how to set up reoccurring events using the Events Calendar Pro from Modern Tribe. So here is a list of events that we have, and I'll just reset the search function over here. And here is our events calendar here, and you can see this is the same event that reoccurs 3 times. So I've just set up these 3 events to reoccur 3 times, and we'll go through and have a look at how to do that. So you can see here it says all events 27. I'll just hit search there again. Right, so 27. So I'm just going to have a look for one that we haven't made reoccurring, which is this 10 AM guy here. So I can go and click edit there, and then scroll down the page a little bit, and we've got reoccurrence. There's this guy here, and I'm going to select every week, and then I'm going to end it after say 4 weeks, and I'm not going to put a description in there. I'm just going to go and hit save. The other thing is venue. If you select a venue down here, you'll actually get that pop up with a Google map, which is real nice. So if I go, the other thing I need to do, I didn't set the date correctly there, so it happens on a Thursday, but the last time this was run was back in April, so we're now in July, so Thursday, the next one will be the 9th, and then update. And if we go back to this calendar and hit refresh in the browser, we should have something popping up there. Oh, there you go. So I can go in there and click on that guy, and there's my Google map that showed up, and I get that nice kind of Google map functionality there as well. I can then stuff that into my Google Calendar using that button there. Oops. Okay. Kind of went a bit astray there. Or I can just go back to the main calendar. And there's a few nice little bits of functionality over here, so if I want to do some filtering, I can just see those guys. Also, when you go back to editing an event, you've got an option up here, edit event, and you can edit the series, or you can break this one away from the series and edit it individually. So, you know, I might want to change the title for everything, or I might just want to add a little bit more text about this one to say that, you know, potentially we're covering some other stuff. And that is about it. One more thing on the dashboard. Let's just go back to dashboard, and then events. So now we've got 30 odd events in there, so it's getting a little bit hard to, and that's just 4 events scheduled for 1 month. If we scheduled all those events for the next 6 months, this is potentially going to say 200 and something in here. So when you want to search for a event, you can go media and then search events over there, and then that should bring it down to showing 4 items, because I've only scheduled that one for 4. But you know, in any event that you'd scheduled that for 100 times, you'd still have 100 results returned here. So one good way to beat that is to actually just use the calendar on the site, because it's a bit nicer to look at, and then when you're in there you click on the event. So say it was that one I wanted to edit, I click on the event, and then from there I can choose up here edit series, or break from series, or edit future events. So this content sort of management display here isn't the best for finding particular events when you've got 100 odd or a couple of 100 odd events in there. So yeah, stick to using that code.